Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ashwini and I have a small crochet boutique called Knotty Collection. And in today's video, I am going to share with you guys my most popular plushies of this year. I had been to multiple markets. I did some indoor, I did some farmers market, and I wanted to share with you guys like which were the crowd favorite and why I think they loved them. And I hope this video helps you guys, so stay tuned. So let's start with the star of my markets, you guys. My small octopuses. I was very skeptical of bringing these and like making this and including in my collection, but I wanted something small, for people, like for kids, because they always come to the market with like a $5 bill or something, and they want to use their their pocket money towards getting some small item for them. And I wanted to make something in that affordable range, like if some kid comes to me and he wants something, like he can get, he wouldn't go without getting a plushie. Basically, that was my idea. I wanted someone to, like, when someone comes, like they find something affordable. So I introduced these are like free pattern on YouTube, so this is very quick to make. And lavender color, like this color was the crowd favorite this year. And I also introduced a black one because black one also people tend to like. It's quite unique. And yeah, so I had this in different shades. So yeah, isn't this the cutest? The yellow one is my favorite. You can tell, guys, I love yellow. So these were the crowd favorite, like on the top of my list this year. And these are quite affordable and they are so squishy. And during my fall market, like, kids thought that these are small ghosts, so I was like, yeah, whatever. You can call them ghosts or you can call them octopuses, but yeah, these are cute and squishy. I made these in burnet yarn, and these are made with Chanel or Sweet Snuggle Light, like whatever in between them two. So I have these. So these are very squishy and it's good for kids. You could also put them on your, like, you can sell them saying that you can put these on your car dash. So some people also got it from me that way. And I had also kept some keychain like accessories on hand. So I also put like immediately a keychain hook and told them, like, you, if you want as a keychain, I can make it right here for you, so you could do that as well. So these are cute as keychains or just standalone like this. And yeah, so this were a crowd favorite this year for me. Next we'll go towards cute and small animals. So the second favorite item this year was my frog bags. I introduced this in my last two markets only. Like, I found this pattern and then I worked on it, but it's so cute. So I had multiple of them and people loved them, you guys. And they would just stand and look at all the colors. I had this in multiple colors on my booth. So yeah, this is also a fun cute pattern. This is not free pattern, by the way. You'll have to purchase it from Etsy, but yeah, I think it's worth it. So there is also like different style. I think there is one which is free as well, but it is a little bit different. I'll share with you guys. If you don't want to buy this, you can also work with the free pattern. So anything works. So you could do something like this, like back charm. This like opens up and you can put them back together. So this is something really cool. So yeah, so I really love this pattern. So you can do something like this. So these were my on the second number for me. Then comes my booty chicken. So everybody knows this booty chicken. It's so freaking cute. Last time I had like added a egg on top, and this time I wanted to put something green. So so I made a small sprout on it. I just free-handed it. So yeah, so this is my cute booty chicken. These are like great conversation starters. I generally put two straight face and one like this so that people know exactly what they can look at it like from the back as well. And small kids and teens, like, they can't stop laughing when they look at this. And yeah, so this is a very cute pattern that you can try. This is a free pattern, by the way. So yeah, so something like that. Next were my bees. So this is my free pattern that I have it on Instagram if you want to make these, but I made this year in pink and in the original OG color, and these were also fan favorites, so they always goes, you guys. The small bees, like small girls, they like them so much. So next would be cats. So people really like cats, and you can also take custom orders if people want to make their own cat. So this year I had taken a custom order for this cat, and yeah, so isn't they cutest? So they look cute and people always love them, always. And also the black ones go really fast, so people also like black. And I don't make any faces on this, but I put like big eyes. So I generally put pink or blue eyes on them, and they look super cute. You could also make them in full white. I have done that and I've sold that one as well. So yeah, so cats are also a crowd favorite. So these are paid pattern from Etsy. There are many free patterns like this, but not in this shape, but like a loaf cat. I'll put some links below for you to check. There are many cats online, but I like this shape a lot. So yeah, I thought like it was a good purchase, so I got these. Yeah, you could try this or any free pattern, anything works, you guys. So cats are also a crowd favorite, so do make some cats. Next would be my turtles. So I had made 7 turtles at the start of at the end of 2023, and I didn't sold a single turtle in 2024. But this year I sold almost I guess all my turtles are gone. I think only one is left. So this year I sold a lot of turtles. It was really strange. So it happens. So every time things change, the markets are also like, they people like, sometimes they want something, next market nobody will ask for it. So this year I sold all 7 turtles, I guess. And I also had made a big sunflower turtle that went in my last market. So yeah, it was really fun. It was with me for this whole year and I finally sold it. So yeah, so turtles were also really a good item to sell this year. So yeah, turtles work. Next were my Mabel chickens. So these cuties, these are so fun to make, you guys. They are so simple. And I had one more. Yeah, this year I also made it in black. So I had a black and a white, and I had another different color, I think this color. I sold all of those. So yeah, so now I have the tweed color and the black color, but they are so cute. And yeah, I'm going to make more of these next year. So yeah, these are also fun patterns and people really love them. So you can sell them, saying that you can put this as a decor piece. Like, people like to keep it on their kitchen, like, kitchen shelf or something, and you can sell it to people like that. So yeah, so this is also a cute pattern and it's not free. But this is, by the way, it's not free, but this one is a free pattern that I got from YouTube. So I'll share it down. The actual Mabel pattern is paid, but this is a knockoff version and it works. So next in the category were my leggy froggies, you guys. So this was also a free pattern, and I had made so many in 2023, like the end or the start of 2024. I'm not sure, like I had lots. And when I started doing markets, like, they weren't selling for me, so I had kept them. Like, I stopped taking them to the markets. And my last 2 markets, for some reason, I don't know, I was like, let's, like, shuffle my stock, like So I'll have something new to show like people, because I was doing this farmers market like monthly. So I wanted, like, every time someone comes, they find something new, right? So not the same stuff again and again. And you can't believe, you guys, I sold all my leggy froggies this year. So I had 10 or 11 of them, I'm not sure, but yeah, everything went. So leggy froggies are also one of a good option if you want to try. It's a free pattern, and I'll link it down below. So the next category, you could say, but something like nature inspired, were my flowers. So this year I started selling crochet flowers, and people really loved my red roses, my sunflowers. All my sunflowers are gone, so they really liked that. And I also introduced these roses. So these are like the solid color ones, right? But I got like a variegated yarn from Karen, and I started making like these blue and maroon, like it's so many mixed colors. And yeah, people also like this, but for sure the red roses and the sunflowers were fan favorite. So you could try that as well if you are into flowers. People love it. I sell it like a single stick, and yeah, and I wrap it in paper and give it to them, so it looks like cute little bouquet. And yeah, so that was fun. Next thing was my strawberries. So I had made like a red color, and I had a pink. Yeah, I found it. So I had made a red and a pink strawberry, but the fan favorite were the red ones. So I am very short on this, so I'm going to make more of these for my next year market. And I had put a little charm, so that is also some people like it. So I'll show you. So I'd got these small charms. So these are daisies, my favorite flowers. So I put that. This year I think I'll add a little, like a small white flower on this, something like that. I'll keep you guys posted. But yeah, so strawberries work very nice. So strawberries, you could also make some small keychains, like this small teen girls, like they want something to put them on their backpack, so yeah, so keychains go. So you try making like different keychains, but for me the strawberry worked. And also the veils, I had made a lot of veils, like I had 36 or 40 veils. I had made I crocheted in a batch, and I still have those. So those work great, to put at a side, like for a keychain section. And yeah, so can make some keychains. So what's next? So for next year, I am going to, of course, keep this core category of my octopuses, my back charms, but I am also thinking of introducing some new plushies. I want to do something for like decor pieces for nurseries, some nice animals that people can use this, like not as toy for playing, but basically to like a collectible or something like that, to keep in their showcases or something, something like this cute Sean the sheep. So I am thinking to make some of these characters at the side, but of course I'll keep all my this cats and my Mabel chickens and everything. I'll try and introduce more colors in the core collection. I'm thinking of making small chickens, but in different color, like solid colors like blue, green, or something like that. So I am going to work on that as well, and make more color options in cats. Then like make more of these, like I'll find some new ideas and try to make something like back charms, for teens. So yeah, so that's what is next. And of course I'll make more roses. I'll try to stick to solid red colors and sunflowers, so that, because those are my top sellers, right? So I'll try to make that, but of course like bring something new like at the side. So that I can't stop doing, so I have to try new things. And also there is a surprise. I have a new bunny pattern coming. It's still work in progress, so hopefully by Christmas I should have one out, so stay tuned for that. If you're not already following me on Instagram, please follow me on Knotty Collection, so I'll post there as well. Yeah, so I hope this video helps you guys to have a idea of what works and what not. So I'm basically based in Canada, so this is what, and of course it depends also geographically, also in different markets at the same place. Like in one market people liked my octopuses, in other markets I had no sales. So it depends that way also. But yeah, these were the top sellers for me this year, and I'm planning to continue making these next year as well, and adding a few tweaks here and there. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, and hit the like button. Comment down below which patterns did you like, and which were your favorite plushies from all the list. And yeah, tell me if you're going to make any of these as well. And happy crocheting. Bye.